You know what this is, why it's going in the ceiling. That's, I'm talking to the camera. That's not the wires that are going toward the door. I think that thin wire that goes across, you can barely see, is going toward the two eyes that tell the door not to close. These wires, those are those wires, and they all seem to be, these are the wires that come down from those eyes, and they seem to be connected properly. And then the gizmo here is currently not plugged in, and it has these two wires. So I have basically these two guys here and these two guys that come from the ceiling. They are the ones that are loose. So what happens when I plug in the unit is that the light goes on, but the door won't work. So there's our light. And now I'm going to go and push the and nothing. So our light is on, but the door's not working, and I guess I can't get the light to turn off, and I'm guessing that there's some issue with what's connected and what isn't. So when I first tried to attach this guy, which is the cover for the light, I saw that when I was attaching it, I saw a couple of wires were not attached. They were just kind of loose up there. And so I attached them, those two loose wires, and then I got lights going on without being able to turn them off, and the garage door not working. So maybe you have an answer to this. If you do, I'd appreciate you letting me know. Hope all is well with you. Bye-bye.